The network was shaking itself apart, not a crash, but a creep. Synchronization was drifting, turning data into digital static. The cause: an unstable oscillator, a speedboat rudder on a tanker. The phase-locked loop, the system's conductor, was fighting noise and heat. Its heart, the oscillator, was too unstable, introducing jitter, that random, invisible shake, right into our timing. We replaced chaos with precision. The voltage-controlled crystal oscillator brought rock-solid stability. Now, the system filtered out noise and made only gentle, perfect corrections. It was no longer about speed, but about accuracy. The alarms fell silent. Across the city, from high-speed trading to your streaming video, everything runs on an invisible, perfectly maintained beat. That is the elegant compromise of the VCXO. Discover the story behind perfect timing at Dynamic Engineers Inc. Every network has a story. See how yours can beat in sync at dynamicengineers.com.